Microwave potato salad. 5 potatoes. Place potatoes in a microwave. Close the door. Set the microwave to 5 minutes on high. Check potatoes for doneness. Oh, not quite done. Go for an additional 2 minutes. Yeah. Check for doneness once again. Oh yes, very done. Dice potatoes and put them in a mixing bowl. Add 2 stalks of celery, finely diced, Hellmann's 100% original mayonnaise, and Morton's Nature Seasonings. And there you have it, microwave potato salad. Yummy, yummy, yummy. If you have found this video to be helpful and informative, consider leaving a super thanks. A super thanks of $100 is most appreciated. Yummy potato salad. Yum, 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 yum. Thank you for watching.